Introducing the 2-pack Wi-Fi Smart Plug Wireless Mini Outlet with Schedule, Remote Control Your Devices. This smart plug is a convenient and efficient way to control your home appliances from anywhere. With the Jinvoo Smart app, you can easily turn electronics on or off using your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. You can even use voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control your smart plug. Create a customized schedule to automatically turn on and off your electronics, making your home smarter and more energy efficient. The remote control feature allows you to control your electrical items via your phone no matter where you are. For added security, the away mode can randomly turn your devices on or off, creating the illusion that you're home even when you're not. This helps deter intruders and save on electricity costs. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. The smart plug is compatible with iOS and Android devices and has a max power of 1200 W. It is CETL listed and FCC certified for safety. The plug is made of ABS flame retardant polymer for durability. With its compact size and easy setup, this smart plug is a must-have for any smart home. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the 2-pack Wi-Fi Smart Plug Wireless Mini Outlet. Get yours today. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to provide a satisfactory answer. Thank you for choosing our product. ASIN B08P72C53R. Customer reviews: 4.4 out of 5 stars, 746 ratings, best sellers rank, number 46,634 in Tools and Home Improvement. See Top 100 in Tools and Home Improvement, date first available, November 27, 2020.